In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the positioning during the deadlift. A common misconception is to get into more of a squat than a deadlift. Remember, it is not a squat. A deadlift has a higher hip position. So common fault, the shins are too far forwards as mentioned previously. So people stand under the barbell, from there they bend over and the knees are too far forwards. They sit down into this position. So yes, the quadriceps are a strong muscle group, so we want to maximize quad engagement. The way we do that is by sitting back into the lift to engage the quads. The quads are what extend the knee. However, primarily, the deadlift is a posterior chain lift. So hamstrings, glutes, and back. And therefore, we have to trust these muscles to do the work. Looking from the side, bend over, grab the barbell. From there, yes, we want to sit into the lift. And some lifters will find it's a good cue. However, we often see a good morning fault, which is where the hips kick back or the knees kick back, straighten the legs, and then they just finish the lift with the back. So we often see this. So you can see there's no sequence between the knees and the hips. The knees kick back and then the hips extend. We want it to be a nice, smooth knee and hip extension. So let's have a look. Rather than sitting too deep into the lift, I'm going to raise my hips slightly. My shins want to be no more than sort of 8 to 10 degrees from vertical. So here, 1 inch from the bar, bring them forward slightly. That's the optimal position that allows us to lift with the knees and hips extending together. Making sure once the barbell passes the knees, get the hips in fast.